Labradors and tracking trials, following scent trails and locating objects. Labradors, also known as Labrador Retrievers, are widely considered to be one of the most popular breeds of dog around the world. They have friendly and curious personalities and are known for their intelligence, loyalty, and love for their owners. One of the unique qualities of Labradors is their excellent sense of smell, which makes them a favorite choice for search and rescue missions, hunting expeditions, and tracking trials. Tracking trials, also known as scent trials, are competitions for dogs and their handlers to show their abilities in tracking and finding objects. In these trials, the dogs are given a scent to follow, usually a specific object, and must follow the scent trail to find the object within a certain amount of time. In this article, we will discuss how Labradors use their sense of smell for tracking and locating objects during these trials. How do Labradors track? The sense of smell in Labradors is their most powerful sense, and they can detect scents from a distance of up to 2 miles away. They have a high concentration of olfactory receptors in their noses, which allows them to differentiate between various scents and track them with precision. Labradors also have a habit of smelling everything, which helps them understand the unique odor of different objects and scents. During tracking trials, the dogs are given a specific scent to follow that leads them to the object that they must find. The scent can be from various sources, such as a human, an animal, or an object, and the dog must follow it until they find the source of the scent. Labradors are excellent at distinguishing the scent they are supposed to follow from others, and can easily distinguish between different scents even in harsh environments. How are Labradors trained for tracking trials? Training for tracking trials usually starts at a young age and requires consistent practice and training. Labrador puppies are trained to follow a scent trail in a controlled environment, usually with the help of a scent trainer. The trainer will lay a scent trail for the puppy to follow, which will lead the puppy to a reward, such as a toy or a treat. The puppy will then learn to associate the scent with the reward and will follow the scent trail to receive the reward. As the puppy grows older, the level of difficulty in tracking increases, and the puppy is introduced to different scents, surfaces, and environments. The puppy is gradually introduced to different terrains, such as forests, fields, and water, and learns to navigate through them while following a scent trail. Labradors are also trained to distinguish between various scents, such as the scent of a specific person or object. This is done by presenting the dog with the scent of the person or object, and training the dog to associate the scent with a positive reward, such as a toy or a treat. What happens during a tracking trial? During a tracking trial, the dog and its handler are given a specific scent to follow, and the dog must follow the scent trail to find the object within a certain amount of time. The scent trail is usually laid out in a specific pattern, and the dog must follow the scent trail through various obstacles, such as changes in terrain, surfaces, and weather conditions. The handler is not allowed to touch or interfere with the dog during the trial, and must remain a distance away from the dog. The dog must rely on its sense of smell to navigate through the challenging terrain and obstacles to find the object. Labradors are known for their high drive and energy levels, which makes them excellent candidates for tracking trials. During the trials, they are focused and determined to find the object, and will not stop until they have found it. The bond between the handler and the dog is also important, as the handler must be able to read the dog's body language and understand its cues to help guide the dog through the trail. In conclusion, Labradors are unique dogs with an incredibly powerful sense of smell that makes them excellent candidates for tracking trials. Their ability to track and locate objects through scent trails is remarkable, and their high drive and energy levels make them focused and determined during the trials. With consistent training and practice, Labradors can excel in tracking trials and showcase their remarkable abilities.